Welcome to Cruising the Coast. My name is Ivan from Powers Premier Real Estate, and today we're on the beautiful island of Coronado at one of the most awesome breweries in the country, Coronado Brewing Company. Let's check it out. So we're here with Robyn Gouthro from Caliber Home Loans. Robyn, thank you so much for bringing us here.
Of course.
Tell us why Coronado Brewing Company is one of your favorites.
Well, it's been here for a very long time. We've been customers here for a very long time. They have outstanding food. They have great drinks, beer, wine, and of course, one of my favorite things is Johnny, which is the manager here.
Hi, Johnny. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well. Welcome to Coronado Brewing Company.
Johnny, we're excited to be here. Tell us all about Coronado Brewing Company.
Coronado Brewing Company has been around since 1996. We started at this location. Then we also expanded this location about 8 years ago.
Okay.
We have a production facility in central San Diego, Bay Park, which is SeaWorld Drive and I-5. And we also have a location down in Imperial Beach.
Beautiful.
You can also get our beers in 17 countries and 10 states.
Oh, so you're international.
Yes, we are.
Love it, love it.
Yeah.
So for everyone in the San Diego area, if you're not at a Coronado Brewing Company brewery, where can we find your beer?
Just about any liquor store, like our neighbors right next door, as well as a Bevmo's and some of the bigger locations. If you're in some of the other states, Total Wine and Bevmo's also.
Awesome, awesome. So I see a beautiful flight right here. Do you mind if we try it?
Let's drink some beer.
Let's do it. Johnny, thanks so much for having us. This was incredible. Cheers.
Cheers.
So Robyn, you're with Caliber Home Loans. Can you briefly tell us what you guys specialize in?
Well, we do home loans really well, and we do your traditional government loans, 30-year fixed, but Caliber really specializes in their portfolio products, which is things that are loan types that might not otherwise fit inside a box at a bank. So that's something that we're very proud of, and then just offering a great experience for their process.
Fantastic. So as a loan officer, what's the biggest common myth that you've experienced?
Definitely it is 20% down. So that is just not the case. We have anything from 0 down to the traditional 20% down, so that it provides opportunity for everyone to fit in and be a homeowner. We like to say it's not if, it's when they can purchase.
Got it. So as a partner of Cruising the Coast, we ask that all of our guests provide our viewers with an exclusive offer. What can you provide for someone that's watching right now that would like to purchase a home in San Diego?
Well, we'd be happy to provide $1,000 off of their closing costs, and then that way you can lighten it up a little bit and make it even more affordable for them.
That's fantastic. So click the link in the description and use promo code CRUISE1 to redeem this exclusive offer. Robyn, thanks so much for bringing us to Coronado Brewing Company. We had an amazing time. My name is Ivan from Cruising the Coast, and make sure to share this video for your chance to win a $50 gift card from Coronado Brewing Company. We'll see you next time.